I just wanna live. Don't really care about the things that they say. Don't really care about what happens to me. I just wanna live. Just wanna live, just wanna live, just wanna live, just wanna live, just wanna live. I rock a lawsuit when I'm going to court, a white suit when I'm getting divorced, a black suit at the funeral home, and my birthday suit when I'm home alone, talking on the phone. Got an interview with the Rolling Stone. They're saying, now you're rich and now you're famous. Fake ass girls all know your name, and of the rich and famous, your first hit on you a shame of the life, of the life, of the life we're living. I just